Hi, this is Todd from IT again. Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to set headset policy and check compliance with Plantronics Manager Pro. If you click on Policy Firmware here in the left-hand menu, you will see every headset model which currently has either a firmware or settings policy applied. You can modify an existing policy or create a new policy for any model, defining what firmware it uses and what settings apply to that headset. You can then choose that policy for all users or for a specific group. When Plantronics Hub next checks in, it will compare the headset settings and firmware that's on the device to this defined policy device and implement any changes. To monitor progress of your changes, click on the Compliance bar. You can then see which user devices are compliant or not compliant. Click on Non-Compliant Devices to see what's preventing the update. So let's go through and make a change to the Voyager Focus UC policy. I want to deploy firmware version 1.12 to all my users. Once I've made the change to the firmware setting, I can save that to the default policy. Now I can go in and check the compliance to see how many devices are actually matching my default policy. Since I have only just deployed this policy, there is a lot of non-compliance as people are yet to update their firmware. If I click on that, it goes a little deeper, and I can find out why it's not compliant. I can see that they are still on the older firmware versions. When you deploy new firmware or software to the organization, it's a good idea to pre-test it with a control group. Checking with a few users before deploying across your organization helps to ensure that you have a good combination of headset settings and firmware. Plantronics Manager Pro makes this easy by allowing a policy to be deployed to either a group or individual user. That's all for now. Our next video looks at the challenges of managing headsets inventory across an organization. Thanks for listening.